Oh no, where is the train station? Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Could you help me? I'm looking for the train station.
Oh, sure, no problem. Go down this road, take the second left, and it's past the roundabout.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Of course. Go down this road, then take the second left.
Could you speak more slowly, please? I'm still learning English.
No problem at all. Go down this road, then take the second left.
Okay. What does roundabout mean?
A roundabout is a circle in the road, where all the cars drive around it.
Ah, I see. So, second left, then the roundabout?
Exactly. You've got it.
Is this correct? Straight, second left, past the roundabout, next to the supermarket?
Perfect. That's exactly right. Your English is very good, you know.
Thank you. I get so nervous when people speak fast.
You did great. You just asked. That's the secret. Good luck.
Got it. Thank you so much. There it is! I found it!
Someone asks you something in English, and you have no idea what they said. Not a clue. So you do the thing everyone does. You smile, you nod, and you say, yes. And the moment it leaves your mouth, you know, that was the wrong answer. Their face changes. Now it's awkward. And you think, why didn't I just say something? Today, you will never smile and nod again. Because I'm going to give you the exact words to say when you don't understand. So you stay calm, you ask, and you actually understand. This is the most useful lesson you will ever watch. Hello, and welcome back to Lessons. This is day 17 of our 30-day English practice challenge, and today we fix the scariest moment in English, the moment you don't understand. Remember how this works. I say every phrase, and after it there is a pause. That pause is for you. Say the phrase out loud. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. The one phrase that saves you. If you remember nothing else today, remember this one. It works everywhere, with everyone, every time. When you miss what someone said, don't panic. Say this. Sorry, could you repeat that? Repeat after me. Sorry, could you repeat that? That's it. That's the magic. They will happily say it again. Nobody is ever annoyed. But maybe the words were fine, and the problem was the speed. So ask for slow. Could you speak more slowly, please? Repeat after me. Could you speak more slowly, please? Native speakers forget you're learning. This gently reminds them, and they slow right down. And a short, natural one for when you only just missed it. Sorry, one more time? Repeat after me. Sorry, one more time? Part 2. When one word blocks everything. Sometimes you understand the whole sentence, except one word. And that one word ruins everything. So ask about it directly. Just put the word in the middle. What does busy mean? Repeat after me. What does busy mean? What does cheap mean? What does later mean? One phrase unlocks every word in English. Now, maybe you can see the thing, but you don't know its name. Point at it and ask, what's this called in English? Repeat after me. What's this called in English? And when someone says a name and you're not sure of the letters, how do you spell it? Repeat after me. How do you spell it? They'll say it letter by letter, and now you can write it down and remember it. Part 3. When the word is stuck in your head. Now the opposite. You know the word in your language, but not in English. It's right there, on the tip of your tongue. Don't give up. Ask, how do you say this in English? Repeat after me. How do you say this in English? You can point or show a photo on your phone and ask, how do you say this in English? This one little question will teach you 1,000 words. And when you know the word, but you're scared to say it wrong, how do you pronounce this? Repeat after me. How do you pronounce this? Then say it and simply check. People love to help when you ask, is this correct? And you will improve faster than you can believe. Part 4. The sentence that makes people kind. First, the honest one. When you truly don't understand, say it. Calm, simple, no shame. I don't understand. Repeat after me. I don't understand. 3 little words. Everyone respects them. And now, the secret weapon. This one sentence changes how people treat you. Watch. Sorry, I'm still learning English. Repeat after me. Sorry, I'm still learning English. Say this, and something wonderful happens. People smile. They slow down. They help you. It works every single time. And when your brain just needs a moment. Let me think for a second. Repeat after me. Let me think for a second. It's okay to pause and think. This fills the silence politely while your brain does its work. Part 5. Show them you got it. Here's the happy part. You understood. Now prove it. First, to be sure, say it back in your own words. Do you mean the bus station? Repeat after me. Do you mean the bus station? Do you mean? You repeat what you think they said. If you're right, they'll smile and say yes. And the moment it clicks, ah, I see. I see means now I understand. And the friendliest one of all, quick and natural. Got it, tells everyone. Yes, I understand. Let's keep going. Here is your challenge for today. Let's use these phrases right now. In the comments, ask me a real question. I read every comment, and I will reply to you. Let's learn some new words together. Day 17. Complete. You did a great job today. Never forget, asking is not weak. Asking is the smartest thing you can do. It's how you win. If this lesson helped you, press the like button and subscribe for day 18. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.